Welcome to Food Science and Technology 3. I am Dr. Vusim Shaisa, and in this session we are going to talk about three essential types of cleaning. We are going to talk about continuous cleaning, end of shift cleaning, and the beginning of the shift cleaning. So in this session we are going to look at the critical sanitation practices that are necessary to maintain a safe and efficient cleaning processing environment. And as fourth year students in food science and technology, it is vital that you not only understand but also appreciate the importance of maintaining a rigorous cleaning environment throughout every phase of production. And that is why I want us to cover these three essential types of cleaning: continuous cleaning, end of shift cleaning, and beginning of shift cleaning. So let's start with continuous cleaning. What do we mean by continuous cleaning? So this is an ongoing process that occurs throughout the production day. So the primary goal here is to continuously remove waste materials and contaminants as they appear during production. So think of it as a frontline defense against cross-contamination. So by immediately addressing spillages, food residues, and other debris material, we then prevent the buildup of hazards that can be generated during processing. So this is a proactive approach which keeps our production lines running smoothly and safely. Remember here, in a food processing plant, cleanliness is not just routine, it is a critical component of product integrity and workplace safety. So you normally see in the food industry, they have this thing which is clean as you go. As you make a mess and then you correct that mess. You don't wait for you to remove the mess later on. So next we have the end of shift cleaning. So this basically takes place at the end of each production shift. And so here, a thorough cleaning and sanitizing process is not just recommended, but it's mandatory. So why is this step important? This step is important because it ensures what it does. It ensures that all surfaces, all equipment that we are using and all workplaces are cleaned to the highest standards. So here it's more than just about tidying up, it's about resetting the environment to eliminate potential residues that can harbor bacteria and pathogens. So what happens here is that it's a deep clean process which is going to assist the organization to prepare for the next day's activities and thereby reducing the risk of contamination between subsequent shifts. So this step, which is cleaning at the end of the shift, is essential in maintaining a consistent level of hygiene throughout the production cycle. So and we don't encounter a buildup of material again and again. And then finally, let's talk about the beginning of shift cleaning. And so this is, as the way it suggests, takes place before any production commences. It's crucial to conduct a thorough cleaning and sanitizing of all equipment surfaces. And you normally do this when you're going to do your practicals in the micro lab, in the pilot plant, where before you start, you sanitize the environment. So this step, what it does is that it ensures that the production environment is not only clean, but it is also free from contaminants that might have settled overnight. So starting the day on a clean slate is essential to maintain the integrity of the products being processed. And then again here, what is important to think about is that this step ensures that all processes begin in a safe and sanitary environment, setting the tone for the day's operation. Before you start working, you know that the place is clean, you know that the environment is clean. because a clean, well-maintained food processing facility with workers confidently beginning their shift. So here you're going to have confidence in the products that we are going to produce in that particular day. So I think what we need to remember here is that maintaining cleanliness is not just about following regulations, but it's also about ensuring the safety of our food products and the safety of the people that are going to consume these products. So it is important, therefore, that we adhere to sanitation practices. So if you do that as an organization, as a company, what we are basically doing is that you are contributing to a safer, a more efficient food processing environment, and basically guaranteeing that the products that you are producing are products that meets the highest standards. Thank you for your attention. Let's continue to uphold the highest standards in our